कहते हैं कि शॉर्ट कंटेंट दिमाग के लिए स्मोकिंग की तरह होता है, उसी पर्सपेक्टिव से लॉन्ग कंटेंट दिमाग के लिए एक ब्रेन वर्कआउट होता है. वेलकम टू TRS क्लिप्स.
That's why today there's a lot of need. Forget the older ones, even the younger ones want to have a prenup.
Oh,
Now
wow.
today, prenup agreement is a prenuptial agreement. That is an agreement between a man and a woman who intend to get married prior to marriage. So we plan to get married. A and B plans to get married. A and B are in love and they believe in commitment, fidelity, da da da. Da. These are the recital. And they agree on the following, that they will work towards each other's sort of interest in a family, etc., etc. In the event of the relationship going sour, these are the following terms and conditions on which they will part. My money is my money, your money is your money. Assets we acquire over a period of our marital life can be divided in proportion to either the contributions made or in equal, whatever your permutation combination is. ये लिख के लेते हैं. Today, prenups are not the law of the land, to be very honest. US में काफ़ी स्टेट्स में होता है, आप प्रीनप किया, यू हैव टू गेट अ डिवोर्स एज पर द प्रीनप. इंडिया में प्रीनप इज नॉट अ लॉ ऑफ द लैंड, बट द कोर्ट्स आर लाइकली टू कंसिडर द अग्रीमेंट एट द टाइम ऑफ द डिवोर्स, क्योंकि ये इंटेंट था वो दोनों का जब वो शादी कर रहे थे. So then your negativities and your vengeance and all that don't come.
It's useful in case you're getting divorced.
Absolutely.
But it's not the must.
It's not a must, क्योंकि लॉ है ही नहीं.
आपको एक बहुत प्रैक्टिकल नज़रिया देता हूँ. अब जब मैं 22-23 साल का था, मेरी तब की एक पार्टनर थी, तो मेरे को लगा शादी इज़ वेरी फार, प्रॉब्ली व्हेन वी आर 30, स्टिल 7-8 years लेफ्ट. तो मैंने बस एक्सपेरिमेंटली उनसे पूछा कि वुड यू साइन अ प्रीनप. उन्होंने मेरे साथ झगड़ा किया. She was like, how dare you? And I didn't even know that asking for a prenup is such a big thing.
Yes.
But I guess boys and girls in our country are raised slightly differently.
They are raised slightly differently. And then it's like saying, are you signing your death certificate at the time of your birth? Matlab, akin to that is what some of the people react in that manner. But today, to be able to understand what is and why is it necessary, or why is it called the need of the hour, you have to peep into these divorce courts to see how terrible it is.
So you're in favor of prenup?
100%. But it has to be very equitable. It has to be, and in fact, the ones which I do and I drop, which is known as like a memorandum of understanding, we say that both parties have taken independent legal opinions before signing. Because it should not happen that you are coming with your girlfriend and you say, I know ma'am very well and let's go to her and she'll do it. And she should not be influenced कि रणवीर मैम को जानता है और I am subtly influenced. So we tell her, I tell her, okay, Ranveer has come to me, but you go to any legal person, show this document, get your doubts cleared. I'm happy to do that, but I don't want to do that. Because I want you to have, and we write that both the parties have taken independent legal opinions before the signing of this agreement. तो जितना जो चेक्स एंड बैलेंसेस होते हैं या जितने सेफगार्ड्स होते हैं, वी ट्राई टू पुट इट इनटू दैट, बिकॉज द आइडिया इज नॉट टू चीट एनी ऑफ द पार्टनर. द आइडिया इज नॉट टू डू दैट, बट टू मिनिमाइज द कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स दैट कुड अदरवाइज कम अप.
ओके, एज अ लेडी एक बात समझाइए, क्योंकि इस रूम में सिर्फ बॉयज़ हैं और यहाँ हम जेन जी प्रीनप गाइडलाइंस दे रहे हैं लोगों को.
यस,
because I think it's actually very relevant to Gen Z.
No, it's really necessary. It's really necessary.
आप रोहन जैसे Gen Zs को कैसे गाइडलाइंस दोगे to even pitch prenup to your partner?
How to pitch it? Very simple. इसके लिए, if your relationship based on trust and this, that listen, we are going to do together everything. I will try and provide you, if you're a homemaker and not having profession of your own या funds of your own, मैं आपके लिए I'll make proper arrangements to the best extent possible. I do not want कि अगर हमारी बनती नहीं है that we fight over money. In a prenup, we never write about the child custody, because that's a issue that is depending on the age of the child, the sex of the child, the circumstances surrounding it. So we only write about the finances right now. And we say that we don't want to end up fighting and wasting time, money, effort, energy on going to courts and getting these things. So if we have an understanding between us, it will make things easy for us.
Okay.
Then we just go to a lawyer and get it executed.
थैंक यू फॉर कंज्यूमिंग दिस क्लिप दोस्तों. अगर ऐसे ही और क्लिप्स एक्सप्लोर करने हैं तो इस चैनल के प्लेलिस्ट्स को ज़रूर एक्सप्लोर करना.